In this video, I'll show you how to sign up and verify your identity on Bybit. Start by visiting the Bybit website or opening the Bybit app. Click Sign Up to create a new account. Next, choose whether you want to register with your email address or phone number. Enter the required information, create a strong password, and click Create Account. After that, enter the verification code sent to your email address or phone number to complete your account registration. Now sign into your Bybit account and click your profile icon. Then select Account and Security or Identity Verification, depending on the version you're using. Next, click Verify Now to begin the identity verification process. After that, choose your country or region, then select the type of government-issued ID you want to use, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Now upload clear photos of your identification document by following the on-screen instructions. Next, complete the facial verification step by taking a selfie or recording a short video if requested. After that, submit your verification request and wait while Bybit reviews your information. The review time may vary depending on demand. Finally, once your identity has been verified, you'll receive a confirmation, and your account will have access to the features available for your verification level. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sign up and verify your identity on Bybit. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.